I am going to test with this kurkure packet. You can see kurkure packet is dancing. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see the home theater Sony 4.1. The model number is, wait a minute, here you can see multimedia speaker system SAD10. So this is our model number. In this, the famous problem is like light is coming but not working. Sometimes it will work, then again sometimes it will not work, like that. It act like commental. Let's see what is the problem. I will directly show you the problem itself. Friends, this is the adapter. Here you can see all the details. Now I am going to connect the adapter in the back side. Friends, here you can see red light came, but when you are pressing it will not work. Here you can see now I am continuously pressing, then also it will not work. If you are using your remote also, then will not work. Sometimes by luck it will work, then again it will stuck. Like sometimes it will remote also will work, sometimes button also will work, sometimes both will not work, like that. Here you can see if you try many times, then also it will not work. So now it act like a mental. So let's see where the problem is coming. Friends, now I am going to turn off the home theater. Now we have to open this system. You have to open this front cover. Let's see. Take one screwdriver like this, then remove from all the four sides. Friends, while removing the front cover, take care about this strip. If that is, if this is broken, then it's very difficult to fix. Now I am removing the all the screws, because by mistake that strip got broken means it is very headache. So I am removing all the board from that front cover. Friends, like this you remove both the boards, then keep it side the front cover. Friends, here you can see this is our button sensor, then three lights indicators are there. This is the woofer, and this is our controller board, like not main controller board for USB, then play, pause, stop button, next button, everything is there in this green board. From this it is directly going connected to the motherboard. Friends, here you can see in the first step you have to clean the strips. These two strips you have to clean, then this also you can clean, but while removing it, you should take care. You can remove, but while fixing it is very difficult. Friends, now I turned on the home theater. Here you can see now I am trying to press every button. From remote also I am trying, then also it is not working. Friends, now I am going to directly short the buttons, because sometimes button will not working. That's why I am directly shorting. Friends, after shorting, the home theater was turned on. But again the function button also not working. If you try to press in remote also, it will not work. Here you can see, if the button is problem means in remote it should work, but in remote also it will not working. I directly shot it like this, then it is turned on, then function button also not work. If I try to short function button also, it will not work, I think. Let's try. It should that green LED should move to the next, like USB CD, like that. I tried, but no response from the board side. Friends, here you can see this remote is working. From camera you can see it clearly, but it will not work to our home theater. You can see from camera you can see it clearly, remote is working or not, but for this home theater it will not work. Friends, in this sometimes I said sometimes it will turn on. When it is turning on, right, it will automatically increasing the volume. Automatically song will play next. Everything works automatically. I said no, act like mental, like that it should happen. So we have to find the problem. Friends, I think the like that problem will come from this sensor. For that, I removed all the legs of the sensor. You have to see backside if that legs are shorted or not. Legs are removed, but the track should not be shorted, right? Yeah. Now I removed the sensor. Let's check what problem got solved or not. Friends, from button it will not work because I think button is not working. I will directly short and check. Friends, now our home theater is turned on, but no, this function button also will not work. Both the so remote also will not work because we removed the sensor legs. Friends, now I will change the both the buttons. After replacing the both the buttons, we will check our problem is solved or not. Now I am replacing two buttons, then one sensor. Then we check our problem is solved or not. Friends, here you can see now I replaced the two buttons with another sensor. Three also I changed. Now it should work. Let's check. Friends, after replacing two buttons and the one sensor, now we have to check. Friends, here you can see. Now from remote it is directly working. Then from button also it is working. You can see it clearly. Friends, in the camera also you can see remote is working. Then now before it is not working to our home theater. Now it is working to our home theater. So now I am testing by inserting pen drive. Now I have to play a song. Let's check the sound quality. Now I am going to test with this kurkure packet. You can see kurkure packet is dancing. Friends, now all the buttons are working from home theater side and remote side. Both side it is working perfectly. Our main problem is from the sensor. Then two button also it will not working. Because of the sensor, we will face all this type of problem. Like sometimes it will turn on, sometimes it will not turning on. Then it will automatically volume is rising. Like that, all this happens from the sensor. Then in our case the both button also is not working, then we replace it both buttons, then one sensor. By doing this we can repair this kind of problem, not from our home theater, from any device. If you face problem like this, everything happens automatically, then you can try these steps. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. At the end we will hear some song from our home theater. Check our sound quality.